welcome back to the channel. Well, another day, another racetrack. Went out to Mooresville last night, came PB'd the bike. I don't know how many PBs you can keep PBing. He keeps PBing, so he keeps getting faster and faster. He PB'd 60 foot by a lot last night. If y'all ain't seen the video, go check it out. He went out by 5 numbers. He PB'd the 60 foot. And then he ended up going what he normally runs on the numbers, and he ended up going through PB in the bike, going into 699 with the bike. So we're coming out here to Farmington tonight. We're gonna bring John's bike out here. Mark can get us a little grudge race going on, a little daddy versus son action, a little 650 versus 400, a little nitrous on nitrous. See if Kate can hang with the big dogs. I told him earlier, I said, you know, I taught you everything you know. I said, but I didn't teach you everything I know. That's a whole different world right there. But like I said, we pulling up out here. We're going to go out here and have a good night. Look at the sky. Look at this. Tell me, a beautiful night to be at the racetrack. Look at this. This is Farmington right here on the right. We're going to go out here and have us a little fun tonight. Like I said, John's already out here set up, ready, waiting on us. Let's get out here and get this thing unloaded and see if we can't have some fun tonight. Get some video for y'all. Ride with us.
Yours, I'll show you mine.
Yeah, that's probably what I'm gonna see on the next one.
He's going to ride Caden's bike, and Caden's going to ride John's bike for the first time down the track this time.
I'm about to pull them up.
And let it ball, and as it balls, hit wide of a throw before you hit. If you roll out 3 feet and hit wide of a throw, you outrun it. But I got something to tell y'all. for all the little girls out there that cage your little heartthrob, that y'all think y'all,
Hey,
y'all listen.
I was outrunning you to the finish line. You made me go out and miss the shit and everything because I was gapping
Hold on a
you.
minute, son. Let me get this out. Let me get this
Hey,
out.
I was the one up and going for probably 0.5 of the race.
Listen, son,
right here after the hit, I went off of it and I rolled back into it. The slowest roll back into it. I went,
bro.
Why?
Okay, hold on, man. Be quiet a little bit.
You made me glad I didn't blow up the car that thing.
Hold on. Listen. Which side did the W come on? Which slip you guys? You're pink or white? Or yellow? You're yellow?
Who's been faster?
Now listen, I got something to tell you. Listen, for all the heartthrobs that think Kane's just a superstar and y'all put him up on this pedestal, you just know your daddy, old self, just wore you out. Best out of 3
Second ever pass on the bike.
Listen, I don't care what Jesus tells you. I'm gonna let you know on this. Listen, second pass on the bike, best out of 3 hits. I won tonight. You lost. We're done. So if you win this one, guess what? I still won tonight. No more pressure. No, I'm the champ.
You won twice.
Out of 3. That's how you got to win 2 out of 3. I'll have to win 3 out of 3.
If I win this next one, it'd be 2-2.
No, it's over. Championship's
No,
over.
I won.
Best out of 3.
So if I win, it's every time.
Best of no.
Yeah.
You know I said the best out of 5.
Yeah, if I win this one, it's time.
Out of 3. Caden said we're gonna do best out of 4. We can do the best out of 400 tonight, and he's still gonna lose. He can't beat me.
You done good, Kate. You was about to mess your daddy up.
Get ready to be on.
High gear fade. Listen, I treat him. I was out on him at the 330. We was about neck and neck. Like it was gonna be a race. And then all of a sudden, well, actually, I was out in front of him.
Yeah.
I was out in front of him at 330, but it showed.
You had on me about 2 bikes.
We had the same 330, but I looked back at him. I was like, oh, I got your ass. Yes. When we crossed the 330,
I went 0.25. He went 0.13.
when we hit the 330, it looked like I hit the brakes. He went 2 behind me and put 2 on me. Like I was like, oh, I got your ass now. I hit him on the tree.
I think I didn't shift forward.
We both went 4.7. We both went 4.7.
2 bikes ahead.
I said, I got your butt now. I got you now. Yeah. And look, he did. He went like this. All of a sudden, he started pulling, but it wasn't even a pull. It was like when he started pulling, it was like I hit the brakes pull because I'm out here like this, and all of a sudden, 92. But all of a sudden, it's like I'm like this, and all of a sudden, it's like he shifted, and it was like,
Because the tail light to me got dimmer
I
quick.
said, that's son again. I said, he just got me. It's all right. It's a charity run. I had to give you one tonight.
Picture, Sammy.
No, you gotta put your number 2 up, fool. Put your number 2 up, bro.